Welcome to ReadSoft Invoices. In this short example, we will scan a small batch of paper invoices and see how data is captured from them. I have put my invoices in the scanner and I click Start to start the scanning process. The invoices now show up as thumbnails at the bottom of the screen. I can click on the thumbnails to take a closer look at the invoices. The software has grouped multi-page invoices together, which I can tell by the green frame around them. The scanned batch is now complete, and we can stop the scanning. Now it's time to verify the invoices. This is the first invoice, and I can see that all fields have been interpreted correctly. This is shown by the green dots in front of each field. I can have a closer look at each field by simply clicking on it. I can see the interpreted data, both in the list to the right and on the invoice itself. The software has automatically detected whether it is a debit or credit invoice and also found the currency. I now click OK. The next document is OK as well. But on the third invoice, there is an error. Amount fields do not sum up. This is signaled by a yellow triangle in front of the field. The software has assumed that the VAT rate is 0% based on an earlier invoice. I click on the correct figure in the scanned document, and $17.50 is applied as VAT rate instead. This makes the rest of the figures on the invoice add up, and all fields turn green. I click OK, and now get to a multi-page invoice with 3 pages. By clicking on the different line items, I am taken straight to the relevant page on the multi-page invoice. This invoice looks OK as well. In the next invoice, the software has learned the VAT rate $17.50 from the previous invoice and populated the VAT rate field with this figure. This invoice is now OK. The rest of my invoices seem to have been correctly interpreted, and I can just click OK to verify that all captured data is correct. So now the invoices can be automatically transferred to my ERP system for further processing and approval.